So we just arrived at camp for Canoe Trip 2016. Luckily, we already had guys there to reserve our campsite for us because we got to go back and pick up firewood from Snowshoe and probably get a shitty GM out of the ditch or something.
Okay, that's stupid.
So it's a fair bet this segment's going to be NSFW because these fucking guys are a bunch of toolboxes and they've drank way too much. So we're sitting here just playing some Texas horseshoes, trying to kill some time, looking for something to drink, and I think everybody's just waiting to get time on the river. That's all there is to it.
Like a nigga don't care. Like a nigga don't care.
This seems like really close together. It's really close together.
Quarter to 12? It's quarter to 12 and everybody's getting ready to get in the water. So you can see we're right here on the river. Everybody's packing their canoes up, getting shit ready to go. The bazoo's ready to go. I think there's a couple of guys already in the water. 2016's about ready to go. Well, it looks like we're not too far from our first fair-sized set of rapids. Our canoe's been doing great so far after all the off-season repairs. We haven't taken on a ton of water through the hull.
It's the longest we've ever stayed dry.
We don't have a ton of water, so we're going to be bouncing off some serious rocks here. So if we can keep it all from coming over the side of our canoe, I think we're going to be golden. But we'll check back in, after we go in the fucking water. 13 fucking years I've had to swim myself out of this set of rapids here because we couldn't make the motherfucker. This year we made it. Kira and I, we did our jobs. We did them well. We took a bunch of fiberglass out of the bottom of the canoe, but we made it, and we actually got out of our canoe to get out of the rapids. Sweet. Here, buddy. So it's the end of the first day. What do you think? How did everybody do?
We did pretty well. No one slipped.
No, but your canoe and my canoe both have giant fucking holes in them.
That one.
Here we go. Big hole right there. But nobody went in today. It's the first for me in 13 years. First for me ever in that canoe, because that canoe is a piece of shit. And we got a little bit of rain, but other than that, great fucking day. So we just put in for the first time Sunday morning. Last year, this time, we didn't know it, but we were 5 minutes away from being in the fucking water for half an hour. Not that it's any kind of a surprise, but we did have to patch our canoe last night. There's giant holes in it, and they seem to be holding up for the first
100 feet?
Yeah. So hopefully not too much bailing or sinking today. Anything else we should add? That's a no. All right. Check it in a bit. Okay, we're at Pigpen now. We haven't gone through yet. We're going to be the first to give it a shot, and Lucas is going to try and get video of the escapades for us. I think our chances are pretty good. Yeah?
Better than any other year.
Yeah? Okay. We didn't make it last year. We're going to give it a shot again this year. And one way or the other, you're going to know what happens. So I don't know if you can tell.
We're a little soggy.
We've been in the water a little bit the last while. Pigpen was not a success again. Our canoes, there goes somebody else right now.
Oh, yeah. Is that the bazoo?
Jay and Ron are down. Our canoe's not built for this set of rapids. We have very little freeboard. We take on way too much water, and that's the problem. We get our canoe full of fucking water, and we're still floating, and then as soon as you try to turn it all, it flips right over. Lucas has video. I will add that in here somehow. Anything to add, Kier?
The water's nice.
It actually, he's right.
Very nice.
It is. Very. All right.
They'll be out of our way.
You guys made it! I was gonna do commentary in the water. Is that?
Now we can officially play the canoe. We're good.
It's strapped on me good. I'll just grab the back.
The camera is?
Yeah.
Got anything to say? What do you think about this year? Better or worse than last year?
Better.
Better? That's the entirety of your statement? Yep, fair enough.
Best year yet?
Best year yet?
Only went down once and I had a redo. We fucking nailed it.
Nailed it!
Nailed it.
Great year. Great year. Fucking weather's outstanding. Bugs, not so bad.
Okay, bugs are super bad. Everybody's desperate to get out of here, so we gotta make this fucking quick wrap-up video. 2016, everybody was happy, everybody was safe, nobody got hurt, everybody got drunk. Everybody wave and say hi.
Hey,
Finish it off for the year. All right, see you next year.